Hey there, welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you a new pattern you can crochet, and it's this one, and it's called the Cosmos pattern or the Cosmos stitch. And here is how it looks, and there's no wrong or right side, so the front and the back looks the same. And this is a 4-row repeat, so you're gonna repeat row 2, 3, 4 and 5 for this pattern. So I'm going to show you how you can crochet row 1 until 5. So I've got my yarn and I've got a crochet hook of 4 millimeters, and we're gonna make a slip knot. And for this pattern you need to repeat multiple of 6 plus 4. So first make a multiple of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm gonna make it this long, and I made 3 times the multiple of 6, and now I'm gonna add 4 more chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for row 1 we're gonna skip the first 3 chains, and in the 4th we're gonna make a double crochet, and in that same stitch make 1 more double crochet. And a chain 3 counts as a stitch, and if you have a hard time finding that 3rd stitch when you're gonna crochet row 2, just 1, 2, 3 over here, put there a stitch marker in that stitch so you can find it easy when you are going on to row 2. Okay, so for now what I'm going to show you, you're going to repeat this for the rest of this row until you're at the end. You're going to chain 4 and then skip 5 stitches. So here was your last double crochet, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches you're skipping, and in the next one we're going to crochet 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 4 and then skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So do this for the rest of this row until you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches left. So chain 4 now, and then in the last stitch make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. So the beginning was 3 double crochets because the chain 3 counted as a double crochet, so 1, 2, 3, so you have to end with 3 double crochets too. So for row 2 we're going to chain 3 and turn our work. We're going to work in the chain 4 spaces. So in the chain 4 space, first we're going to make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3 double crochet in that chain 4 space. Now chain 3, and in that same chain 4 space make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now skip that 5 double crochets and go over to the next chain 4 space, and there we're gonna do the same. So make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 3 and in that same chain 4 space make 4 double crochets. So 3 double crochets, I'm sorry, 2 and 3. So what you are doing now, you're gonna make 3 double crochets on each side of the 5 double crochets of the previous row. So here was your 3 double crochets, and then you made 3 double crochets, chain 3, and then you can see 3 double crochets on this side of your 5 double crochet, and here you can see the 3 double crochets on this side. And because you are making 2 times 3 double crochets in the chain 4 space, there will always be a 3 double crochet on each side of your 5 double crochet of the previous row. So I hope it makes sense what I'm saying. So this row is just making 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in every chain 4 space. So continue this for this row until you are at your last 4 chain space, and there you're making also the 3 double crochet around that chain 4 space, and then chain 3, and then once more make 3 double crochets around that chain 4 space. 1, 2 and 3. And now where you put your stitch marker in that third chain, so 1, 2, 3, in that third chain we are making a double crochet. I'm going to remove that stitch marker first. And if you do not have a hard time finding your third chain, then you don't have to use a stitch marker if you don't want to. So grab both, grab both loops of your third chain and then just make your double crochet. So for row 3 we're gonna make 5 chains and turn our work. And the 5 chains counts as a triple crochet, chain 1. So the first 4 chains is a triple crochet, and the 5th is a chain 1. Now in every chain 3 space of the previous row we're gonna make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what I'm going to show you next is you repeat for the rest of your row. You're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the next chain 3 space make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 4, and I only have 1 chain 3 space left, and if you have more just continue this, chain 4 and 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochets. So if you are at your last 5 double crochet until in your last chain 3 space, do not chain 4 but chain 1, and then on top of that third chain, so 1, 2, 3, make a triple crochet. So yarn over twice in a third chain, drop a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So what we did at the beginning, chain 5 was a triple crochet, chain 1, you're ending with a chain 1 and a triple crochet. Okay, so for row 4 we're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn our work. And at the first space over here we're going to make 3 double crochets, and these 5 chains also count as a triple crochet chain 1. So in that first space over here, make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. And what I'm going to show you next is what you're going to do for the rest of this row in the chain 4 spaces. For me, I have 2, but if you have more, just make the following what I'm going to show you in every chain 4 space until you are at your last chain 4 space. So skip those 5 double crochets, and in the first chain 4 space make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Grab some more yarn. Now chain 3, and in the same chain 4 space make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Now skip that 5 double crochets and go over to the next chain 4 space and make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 and make 3 more double crochets in the chain 4 space. So 1, 2 and 3. So continue this until you are at the last chain 4 space, and now we are going to make in this chain 5 over here, gonna make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. And now we are not done because we need to chain 1, and let's go over to that 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of your chain 5, and we're going to make a triple crochet over there. So in the 4th chain, make a triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see we are altering rows with 5 double crochets and with 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Now for row 5 is the last row, chain 3, turn your work, and in this first space over here, the chain 1 space, make 2 more double crochets. So the chain 3, count it as a double crochet. And if you have a hard time finding your stitches, then you can also use your stitch marker and put it in that 3rd stitch over here or in the other chains. But I do not have a hard time finding my chains, but if you do, this is just a suggestion to use the stitch markers. Okay, so now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we need to make a row of 5 double crochets. So the chain 4 is to overcome this space over here, and in every chain 3 space we're making 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to remove this thing because it's ticking on my table and I hate that sound. So for the next chain 3 space, make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and continue this for every chain 3 space until you are at the last chain 3 space. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in your last chain 5 space over here at the end make 3 double crochets. You can make them all in the chain 5 space like I'm doing now, or if you really want to make it in the chains, you can make your last double crochet. So you make your first 2 double crochets in the chain 5 space and then make your last one in the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's just 2 options. You can end this row and then it looks like this when you are making your cosmos stitch. So this was row 5. Now you have to repeat row 2, 3, 4 and 5 for this pattern. So rewind the video until you are at row 2 and just continue this pattern. So I hope you liked it, and I'm curious if you're gonna use this stitch for some projects you are going to make, and I would love to read what you're making. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.